Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a screen capture blocked on WhatsApp. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would like to answer the question why screen capture is blocked. Okay, so first up, it is a privacy feature, as WhatsApp right here prevents screenshots of profile pictures to prevent user privacy. Also, it occurs on View Once Media as well. Okay, so this is a built-in security measure designed to stop unauthorized saving of images, and no direct app setting exists to disable this protection. But you'll have multiple ways to bypass this specific error or privacy feature. Okay, so first up, if you have another phone, you can go ahead and open up WhatsApp right here. Let's say you went to a person's profile picture, go ahead and use your other phone and take a photo. That's one. And the other option is just by using the WhatsApp desktop app, okay? Or the WhatsApp web version. Let's go ahead and open up our computer right here. Go ahead over to WhatsApp. Log into your account at WhatsApp web. Log in right here, use QR code or log in with your phone number if you do have the WhatsApp app or the WhatsApp desktop app. So what you can do is just go ahead and use the snipping tool or screenshot feature. Use this one and just do it. And you'll be able to do it on a person's profile as well. Okay, just like so. Save it, or tap on the person's profile, right click, copy the image, then go ahead over to Paint, Control V to paste, and here we have it. All right, and that is how you fix screen capture blocked on WhatsApp. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.